In this video, you'll learn how to move images in Google Docs. Whether you're organizing a simple document or polishing a more complex project, being able to place your images exactly where you want them makes a big difference in how professional and easy to read your document looks. I'll walk you through the basic actions, and I'll also explain what's happening so you understand why things move the way they do. First, open your Google Docs file and find the image you want to move. Once you're there, click directly on the image. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline or handles appear around it. If you don't see that outline, the image isn't actually selected yet, so just click again, making sure you're not clicking on text nearby instead. With the image selected, you can now move it. The simplest way is to click and hold your mouse on the image, then drag it to a new position. As you drag, you'll notice the image moving relative to the text around it. Keep holding down your mouse button as you drag and position the image roughly where you want it on the page. When you're happy with the general location, release the mouse button to drop the image there. Sometimes you might see the text jump or shift as you move the image. That's normal, and it's controlled by the text wrapping settings for that image. If the image isn't landing exactly where you want, or the text is behaving in a way that feels awkward, that's your cue to adjust those settings. To do that, make sure the image is still selected. When it is, you should see a small toolbar appear either under the image or at the top of the document window. On that toolbar, there are wrapping options such as inline with text, wrap text, and break text, among others. These options control how the text flows around your image. If the image feels locked into a line of text and is hard to move freely, it's probably set to inline with text. This treats the image like a giant character in a sentence. To move it more flexibly, choose wrap text. With wrap text enabled, you can drag the image to different spots, and the surrounding text will adjust around it, giving you more control over placement. After changing the wrapping, try dragging the image again. You'll likely notice it's easier to position and that the text rearranges more naturally. You can also adjust the margin around the image, which is the space between the picture and the text, usually shown as a small number when wrap text is selected. Increasing this space can make your document look cleaner and less crowded. Once you've moved the image and adjusted the wrapping to your liking, take a moment to scroll through your document and make sure everything looks balanced and readable. If not, just repeat the process. Click the image, drag it, and fine-tune the text wrapping until you're satisfied. That's all there is to it. By clicking the image, dragging it to a new position, and adjusting the text wrapping when needed, you can quickly and confidently move images around in Google Docs to match the layout you have in mind.